At the seafood market. Let's get started. Expert. Expert. A person with a high level of knowledge or skill in a specific area. I've joined a fish market tour. It would be good to learn the food culture and history from a seafood expert in the city. I've joined a fish market tour. It would be good to learn the food culture and history from a seafood expert in the city. Species. Species. A set of living organisms, in which the members having similar characteristics. The seafood expert educates the tourists how to pick the freshest species of fish. He's willing to share the fun facts of the market. The seafood expert educates the tourists how to pick the freshest species of fish. He's willing to share the fun facts of the market. Optimize. Optimize. Make something as good as possible. During the market tour, I can learn the preparation methods and techniques of optimizing flavor of the seafood. During the market tour, I can learn the preparation methods and techniques of optimizing flavor of the seafood. Catch. Catch. Number of fish caught. The retailers in the market sell a variety of seasonal seafood catch. I'm amazed because the variety is overwhelming. The retailers in the market sell a variety of seasonal seafood catch. I'm amazed because the variety is overwhelming. Recipe. Recipe. Way of cooking food. The staff of the retailers help customers select the best seafood and recommend them to follow these recipes. The staff of the retailers help customers select the best seafood and recommend them to follow these recipes. Fillet. Fillet. Cut the fish from the bones. I've watched a fresh tuna being filleted and tried the belly area of the tuna on the spot. It's very fatty. I've watched a fresh tuna being filleted and tried the belly area of the tuna on the spot. It's very fatty. Enthusiast. Enthusiast. A person who is very interested in a specific activity. Are you a seafood enthusiast? You can join the morning walking tour to enjoy a seafood bowl for breakfast. Are you a seafood enthusiast? You can join the morning walking tour to enjoy a seafood bowl for breakfast. Auction. Auction. A public sale, in which goods are sold to the highest price offered by a person. During the morning walking tour, you can discover how the wholesale seafood auction takes place. During the morning walking tour, you can discover how the wholesale seafood auction takes place. Abalone. Abalone. A small sea creature that lives inside a shell with an ear shape. The seafood in the fish market ranges from fresh scallops, crabs, lobsters, abalones, clams, and lots more. The seafood in the fish market ranges from fresh scallops, crabs, lobsters, abalones, clams, and lots more. Seasoning. Seasoning. A substance that can improve the flavor of the food. I'm attracted by a variety of seasonings and processed foods in the fish market. I can't wait to buy them. I'm attracted by a variety of seasonings and processed foods in the fish market. I can't wait to buy them. Etiquette. Etiquette. Custom that we should follow the behavior in the society. When I enjoy the meal in the fish market, the chef teaches me the etiquette of eating the seafood more deliciously. When I enjoy the meal in the fish market, the chef teaches me the etiquette of eating the seafood more deliciously. Overnight. Overnight. During the night. The restaurant sources the freshest of the overnight catch from the coastal waters. The grilled seafood platter is delectable. The restaurant sources the freshest of the overnight catch from the coastal waters. The grilled seafood platter is delectable. Shuck. Shuck. Remove the shell. I watch oyster shucking by a skillful expert. His technique is really great art. I've ordered a platter of raw oysters. I watch oyster shucking by a skillful expert. His technique is really great art. I've ordered a platter of raw oysters. Ingredient. Ingredient. Food that is used with other foods to make a dish. I've bought dried scallops, abalone, and sea cucumber for my mother. They're the popular ingredients in Chinese cuisine. I've bought dried scallops, abalone, and sea cucumber for my mother. They're the popular ingredients in Chinese cuisine. Fishmonger. Fishmonger. A shop or person selling fish. The fishmonger highly recommends me to try the raw tuna, which is labeled sashimi grade. Its quality and freshness are in excellent condition. The fishmonger highly recommends me to try the raw tuna, which is labeled sashimi grade. Its quality and freshness are in excellent condition. Trick. Trick. An effective way of doing something. When I shop for my favorite seafood, the staff of the retailers teach me the practical tricks of preparing and cooking seafood. When I shop for my favorite seafood, the staff of the retailers teach me the practical tricks of preparing and cooking seafood. Overfishing. Overfishing. Catching too many fish in an area of the sea. Overfishing impacts ocean ecosystems. Hence, I ensure that I purchase responsibly sourced or sustainable seafood. Overfishing impacts ocean ecosystems. Hence, I ensure that I purchase responsibly sourced or sustainable seafood. Transparent. Transparent. Can see through it clearly. The fish market provides online and on-site auction. I can place the bid even after leaving the market. It's transparent, speedy, and time-saving. The fish market provides online and on-site auction. I can place the bid even after leaving the market. It's transparent, speedy, and time-saving.